paying someone to fix your credit, or doing it yourself for free? Let's find out which works better.
Hi, I'm John Doe, and today we're talking about credit repair companies and credit gurus. What do they actually do, and can you do it yourself? Stick around to find out how to save money and fix your credit. Here's what credit repair companies and gurus do. Dispute mistakes, negotiate with creditors, teach credit habits. But here's the big secret. You can do all of this yourself, and it's not as hard as it sounds. Here's how you can fix your credit on your own. Get your credit report, find errors, dispute mistakes, negotiate yourself. See, everything a credit repair company does, you can do too, for free. Don't waste money on credit repair companies when you can fix your credit yourself. Hit subscribe for more DIY credit tips and drop your questions in the comments. Let's take control of your credit together.